did you lose?
3. Now go play.
So wise of you not to let poor little Zuri into the beauty pageant. Having you as a nanny is humiliating enough.
Agatha, I thought we were friends now.
Mates, chums. Well, you thought wrong. I'm just thinking of Zuri's feelings. She wouldn't stand a chance in this pageant against my Lindsay. Lindsay!
Oh.
Look,
Talk about Beauty and the Beast.
what do you mean? Lindsay is lovely.
Having trouble connecting those dots, are you? Now, my point is, Lindsay's face has probably never made a horse faint.
That horse was very old and clearly weak from lack of oats.